What is the best way to make money on YouTube? Part 2. Step 6. Set up Google Adsense. You can set up Google Adsense for free at the AdSense website. Click the Sign Up Now button to begin creating your account. You must be 18 years old or older to create your own account. If you are younger than that, you will need an adult to help you. You need either PayPal or a bank account and a valid mailing address, as well as other information so AdSense can verify who you are and who to send the money. You only gain money per ad click and a smaller amount per view, but it adds up over time. This is why having an audience is key. Step 7. Check your analytics. Once you have some videos online monetized and being viewed, you can check out the analytics on them to see how they are performing. Click the Analytics option in your channel menu. Here you can view estimated earnings, ad performance, video views, demographics, and more. Use these tools to see how your content is resonating with your audience. You can change your content or your marketing if you're finding that you aren't attracting the users that you want to. Step 8. Market your videos elsewhere. Don't put your videos just on YouTube. Start a blog, make a website, or post them on other videos or social media sites. The more views it gets, the better. By sharing the link or embedding the video on the internet, you are increasing the chance of it getting noticed. Step 9. Become a YouTube partner. YouTube partners are YouTube members who have monetized videos with a large number of viewers. Partners gain access to more content creation tools and can win prizes for the number of viewers they have. Partners also get access to much more community support and tips. You can apply for a YouTube partnership at any time through the YouTube partner page. In order to gain access to the most powerful partner programs, you need to have 15,000 cumulative watch hours for your channel over the last 90 days. Don't forget to like and subscribe.